Alright, so we're gonna come with a drum tutorial and how I practice. First off, with my left kick. Oh, let me turn this down a little bit. I kind of broke down that song. If y'all ever wanna play to that Freedom, then I'm gonna upload it so you don't have to go to SoundCloud. But yeah, they probably gonna get mad at me. But anyway, so with my kick drum, it's inverted. So when you hit down, it actually goes up and it comes up. So you're actually working on the opposite of what you practice when you're trying to practice drums. So you know, when you try to kick down and work on that, this actually helps you in your pickup. So you get a resistance in letting go of the pedal and not just hitting down on the pedal. So you're getting best of both worlds. First off, it is confusing when playing because you can have your right and you can't really come down on a downbeat with your left because I play opposite. So if I did that, obviously you see that it's inverted, so it plays the backbeat. So what you got to do is you have to hit on the backbeat to get on the one. So what I'm actually playing is left, right, left, right, left, right. You just don't hear it though, which is so mind-boggling. Oh my Lord. So what you want to do is just reverse your kick and then you'll end up working on resistance. So when you go back to the, it's more, it's like, it's better. I don't know how to explain it. Obviously playing the drums backwards will always be a help in your skill level. And yeah, I will have more tutorials on drums. Yeah. Other than that, I play left-handed. My name Lil Bam Bam Trash Drumming.